I hate to rush there. We're at the hotel, guys. Get the access. Sheesh. Is this me, huh? Say nothing. Say nothing, guys. Your boy tend to talk back in the building. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like the whole week, man. Whole week. All this, man. All this on me. All this on me, man. Say nothing. Hey yo, I gotta do a room tour for this, video, guys. Literally, this is me just entering the building. All right, guys. So we just came back now from dinner. Just had some dinner. After coming back from the long trip, oh man, I can't even speak. I'm so tired, man. Woke up so early, today just to catch, the flight. But now here in Turkey, guys, and this is the side. I don't even know what side it is. We were in Antalya, but I don't know exactly what side of Antalya. Staying here, for like the next 7 days. So the whole week, here in this room. And guys, look at this room, man. Like it's so beautiful, man. Like I'm sorry, man. This is a 5-star, hotel named Acanthus, Barut collection, and literally, as you can see, it's a beautiful, beautiful hotel. So just giving you guys a quick room tour here, as you can see me over there. Boom. So you guys just the room here. Got your seat, booking, shopping, hotel stuff there. So we got sitting area here. Just like a nice and chilled area. It's nice not just having that extra seat, because sometimes when I stay on the bed all the time. But look at this bed, man. Yeah, this bed is massive, man. Seriously, man. This is all me for 7 days. Yeah, I'll take it, man. And we got the AC control over here. Okay. Don't know if I should decrease the temperature, because it is quite hot in here a little bit. Let's reduce it a little bit. 19. Yeah. And guys, this is one of my favorite parts. Like literally, as soon as we enter the room, got a welcome card here. Got an apple and some macarons. So nice, man. So nice. Got a coffee in the machine maker here. In the mornings, I'm gonna go over that. Some water, free water. And then this is my other favorite spot. Literally, all of these drinks, literally me. All of these for me. Fanta, Coca-Cola, Sprite, you name it, guys. You just literally just come and take whatever you want. And over here, if I'm opening this correctly, you just got your glasses and stuff, just to add on some more cupboards and stuff, to pack on my stuff. More cupboards and cupboards and cupboards. It's good space, and especially if you're staying here for a long time. Anyway, damn, didn't need to hang that. We got this right over here, cupboard space, or wardrobe space, I should say. Just to add in some of your stuff. Oh, can't forget the morning gown. On the chilled stuff, morning gown. Going on the fancy stuff. And that gotta live the high life, innit? Gotta live the high life. Got a passport locker over here, where you can just keep anything else you just want to keep safe. And got my sinking right over here. I really like this design. Literally, you see like so plain and simple and literally. Water here, you just adjust it. Just your sink. Boom. Got all of the toiletries and over here you want to use. Very cool. Got towels right over there. Got the toilet right over here, which is nice as well. And shower right over there. Very beautiful, man. Literally, it's crazy, just experiencing all of this clothes. Yo, I didn't know what to expect when I came here, but like everything literally blew up my expectations. And let's not forget to show you guys this. My favorite spot at the moment. You just wanna chill. Don't wanna be too cramped up. Wanna get some fresh air? Come right over here. You can see that gorgeous, beautiful view. The night sky for the next 7 days. Wow. Look at this. Sorry, man, but I just can't, you know.